So, hi everyone, good to see you all. And then, I would like to share something with you guys, which is like it's been, doing the procrastination. Today, I would like to discuss about the procrastination, that how how it really badly affects you, and then when you are planning to, do some stuff, and then that you are putting it on the back, that it doesn't matter, and then you have to wait from long and long time. So one of my few things which is really holding me, it's been long time I was thinking to start my channel, and then to start coming up on the screen, but there are few things which is really holding me. These are like, okay, so I will start from tomorrow, and then no, not from tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and then day after tomorrow, and then every single time, and I was thinking all the time, I was thinking like that. So it was like, no, I don't have a perfect light, I don't have microphones. You can say that, okay, no, there's a background issue, and a lot of excuses which I'm giving to myself to stop myself to not to record videos. So I think now when I already started and then jumping into this thing, it makes me realize that it doesn't matter if you have a perfect light, perfect camera, or don't have any kind of a microphone or anything, or the best background. I think that all thing doesn't matter. All you need to do is just you need to start, and then it will go along with day by day. You will be improving. So I started my journey to see where it goes on and where this journey will take me, or because I have no idea that how it works on and then, but I wanted to start, and then here is my third video, which I took out the courage, and then I just jump in without expecting that how I can face all the people out there, and then how the feedback comes up. So if you are thinking also to start, just you can start it out, and then don't think about all the stuff that how it works or what other people say. All you need is just take a start. Every day you have to make the video. So I think I have to give myself a challenge, like 100 days challenge. I have to upload the video every single day so that I can see the improvement, because it really takes a courage to start. So now I'm starting. I need you guys that you can just help me out in this journey, and then may be a part of my journey, so that we will together as a part of, like, as a family, we can experience, and then whoever want to start to just to jumping and then to experience this journey. So just start from today, and then just post me or comment me in the section that how it feels like to take a start. And then if you are hesitating or any kind of a thing which is stopping you, just drop me a message, and then we will start our journey together. And if there's any kind of thing which you guys feel like that I have to learn, or you wanted to guide me for some stuff, do share with me your comments, and then help me out to grow myself. And then if you feel any kind of if you have any kind of a suggestion or anything which you would like to share with me, or if you want to guide me for some stuff or anything, do comment me for that one. I really appreciate that. You can if you can, whatever the guidelines you are giving, I will surely try to follow that one, or because I already started my journey, and I need a lot of improvement in this journey. So if you guys are helping me out in this one, to take the initiative and then to go to the further next step, that would really work for me. And then I will look forward into it. See you in the next video. Love you. Bye.